I'm sure when we put a post on Facebook saying we wanted one of these, we didn't want like a 6-owner car, and you managed to buy one that's had 8.
That's what Ryan said to him. He said, "You painted it."
That's a bit off, look.
I says, am I alright to plug it in for fault codes?
Have it then.
He says, yeah, no worries. I plugged it in last night. I says, does that mean you cleared them all last night as well? He went, yeah.
Oh, it's a black boot. I can't work it out.
No, they've done what they've done to it.
Oh yeah, they painted it. Look. Yeah.
Right then, welcome back to the channel, and we might have made a very big mistake with our latest project. We have just bought this Audi S1 for just £6,000, making this one of the cheapest in the UK right now, but there's a very good reason for that. So let's rewind the clock to when Scott and Wright went and picked up this perfect example of an S1.
Yeah, this would be a tight road to get down, won't it?
Ah, yeah. They have cable up behind it.
Yeah, this is the one then. We said no 6-owner cars, and you've trumped it. This is 8, isn't it? I don't know. Yeah, 8 owners. Or 8 careful owners.
Horrible thing taking off.
Yeah. Definitely clunky.
Fuel pressure low, fuel pressure high, charge pressure specified actual, high fuel pressure specified, torque limitation, charge air pressure.
I just wanted to find one. How many miles? But 76.
It's a lot of pain, that, isn't it?
He reckons he's got 18 in this.
I think the engine mounts are not in good fettle.
Right.
Top mounts, springs, it wants shocks, tyres are not the best. Yeah, it pulls a bit, doesn't it? I like faint wheel a little bit to keep it
being
going.
honest, since I've got it, I've probably done less than 1,000 miles.
Have you?
I just rock it straight away and piss me off, spat me, done me out.
And it, I don't think the 4-wheel drive's working perfect. Not that it ain't working, it seemed to like wheel spin and then it got going, it was weird. You know, we logged it but didn't get a good log. One fault found, all-wheel drive, mechanical failure, it says. Was it right? I expected a proper nail and it's only halfway there. Yeah. When I saw pictures of it, I just said to Scott, forget about it, we're not going. I said that way here, we're not paying more than 6 for it.
Meet in the middle, 625.
If that 4-wheel drive were working, yeah.
The service got 50 quid in it. Yeah.
That's if it it says mechanical failure, so that means it definitely wants a pump, doesn't it? Something else on it.
Yeah, I'll do
6.
I'll do 6 and then maybe. Yeah, perfect.
Comment below if we've made a massive mistake or not. Our mortal track enemies there. What were your first drive like, Scott?
My first drive like, it's not bad. If you ignore that, it sounds like everything's falling off.
It's in good fettle.
It's in good fettle. Decently quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Proper in here. All American stuff. All ice cream stuff and that in there. That's what them who built our front bumper on Touareg did. Cherry shake. Oh yeah.
Bought worst one you could find.
Bought worst girl's car we could get.
it's gonna break it. I feel like it's super glued. Yeah. Right, we'll start with S1 sticker. That's step one to unmodifying it. Whoa, I bet they had loads of downforce. Whoa. Oh my god.
That bit's included. We have got that bit. It's in centre console, and there's a bit round here. That's also included. So that's brought, so it's included.
I can't believe you bloody buy this.
Oh my god. What is that? That bought my car up. Wow.
So they've plastered it in blue. Yeah. Then they've wrapped it.
You see it all here though, it's like overspray.
The thing is, somebody went past this guy in a chrome wrapped Merc, and he looked at this way empty. It don't work. It ain't that bad.
Yeah, I bet it don't look too bad from me. Hang on, let me just cover that bit up. Go on, look at that. Yes, looks fine. If you cover yellow bits up from this angle.
The car looks like this with 8 owners. I've not had an easy life. Every person that's owned that kicks his teeth in.
This is what happens when we just send owners off to buy a new project car.
You don't look impressed.
I mean, it's cheap. It's cheap, which is maybe it's saving grace. So, pretty mixed reviews from the lads when we've got it back to the workshop. Some of them thought it were an absolute bargain, others, well, they're not best pleased that they're going to have to work on it. Personally, I think it was a pretty good price at £6,000, but then we took it for an MOT and got this long list of things that we're going to need to sort out. So, if you want to see exactly what's on this bit of paper, make sure you've subscribed to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.